start by pressure cooking half kg baby potatoes with about half teaspoon of salt and enough water to cover the potatoes. Pressure cook these potatoes for just one whistle. Once these potatoes cool down, peel each of the baby potato and prick holes on each of these potatoes with a toothpick for the seasoning to penetrate nicely. Add some red chili powder and salt as per taste and coat each of these potatoes thoroughly. Heat some oil in a pan and shallow fry these baby potatoes. The aim is to get fried and golden, crispy potatoes. Looks like they're ready, crispy and golden. Keep them aside and let them cool down. For the next step, let's roast some of our whole garam masalas. Roast them till you get a beautiful aroma. Once they cool down, grind them to a fine powder and keep them aside. Next step, take about 4 to 5 red chillies, chop them, de-seed them and soak them in water for about 20 minutes. The quantity totally depends upon your taste. After soaking, grind them to a fine paste and then add 250 grams of yogurt and mix well. In the same pan that you fried the baby potatoes, add red chilli powder, asafoetida, turmeric powder and dried ginger powder. Mix all of these dry ingredients well and let them fry in medium heat in the oil. Once they are fried, it's time to add the paste containing the yogurt and the red chillies. Mix well. Add the whole garam masala powder and continue mixing thoroughly. Close and let it cook until the oil separates from the gravy. Now add the baby potatoes. Coat them really well. Sprinkle about a tablespoon of Kasuri methi and mix thoroughly in the gravy. Now it's time to add about 2 tablespoons of coconut milk powder. Sprinkle some salt as per taste and mix well. The gravy is finally ready. It can be served with rice, rotis, naans, kulchas, parathas, chapatis. If the gravy is too spicy, rice is perfect to balance it out. Or else, the breads are a great choice too. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Happy cooking!